Hey, it's Steve the Cat Drawing Guy from IWantToDrawACatForYou.com, and today I am drawing a cat for Rebecca. Rebecca, this is coming from Valerie, and it's cat number 17,397. Valerie wanted me to draw a cat dressed up like the East Carolina University pirate teaching in front of a classroom. And it appears that you are a history teacher, so that's awesome. Way to teach history. So here is your cat. Let's see. That hat's kind of tricky, but I'm going to try it anyway. There's the ECU, the eye patch. And let's see, we give him some hair. You know what? We're going to make this a girl pirate, since you are a girl teacher. So let's give longer hair. We're going to give you a peg leg. And a hook for a hand. History is cool. Whoopee. So there you go, Rebecca. We're going to color this up and get it out to you as soon as we can. There's your East Carolina University pirate teaching history. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.